हेलो टू ऑल। आज की वीडियो में परसेप्शन देखेंगे। साइकोलॉजी ऑफ नर्सिंग में परसेप्शन क्या होता है। परसेप्शन इज द प्रोसेस थ्रू विच पीपल टेक न्यू सेंसेशनल फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट एंड इंटरप्रेट देम यूजिंग नॉलेज, एक्सपीरियंस एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, सो द सेंसेशन बिकम मीनिंगफुल एक्सपीरियंस। Meaning of perception: the process by which people select, organize, interpret, retrieve, and respond to information. Perception differ from person to person. Each individual perceive the same situation differently. Individuals organize and interpret things based on their past experience and the important value they consider important. Employees tend to behave and act on certain things on the basis of their perception. Perception मतलब धारणा. Definition of perception according to Stephen Robbins. Perception is the process by which individuals organize and interpret the sensory impression in order to give meaning to their environment. According to Fred Luthans, perception is an important mediating cognitive process through which person make interpretation of the stimulus or situation they are faced with. मतलब परसेप्शन ऐसे कॉग्निटिव प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें पर्सन स्टिमुलस से इंटरप्रेट करता है और सिचुएशन को वो फेस करता है. प्रिंसिपल ऑफ परसेप्शन: द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फिगर, ग्राउंड रिलेशनशिप, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ क्लोजर, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ग्रुपिंग, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी, लॉ ऑफ प्रोगनेंस, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ context, principle of contour, principle contrast, principle of distance and depth, principle of motion. First is principle of similarity या simplicity. Items of the same size, shape and quality are more likely to be received as a group or pattern than similar elements. Here there is a strong tendency to see four alternating group of double row because of our indication of unit. The similar access and OAS event through the row are evenly spaced. मतलब सिमिलैरिटी के प्रिंसिपल में परसेप्शन हमें कैसे लगेगा, जैसे ये जो एक्स सीरीज़ है या हम फोकस कर सकते हैं ओ सीरीज़ पर. Principle of proximity: items that are close together tend to be grouped in our perception. Here we see four group of 3 letters, each even though they are meaningless in this form, we see them in disable as this indifferent. However, as we are bring C4 group close together, you could no longer see 4 group but rather than one equally meaningless word, disabled. Principle of continuity: in viewing a pattern such as shown below, two factors are prevalent. We see the dot as a straight line and not as separate dot. Further, the dots are grouping themselves as two continuous lines rather than as four short lines meet at central focus. Closure. Principle of closure: if we look at the geometrical shapes which are given below, we actually see them as a triangle, square and circle, like that. Principle of continuity: anything which extends itself into space in the same shape, size and color without a break in perceived as a whole figure. Principle of simplicity: according to this principle, we tend to interpret our sensory stimulation in a way that we perceive the simplest possible pattern. The simplicity or configuration goodness of a figure is said to observe the general rule that the information about the part is able to provide knowledge of the whole. Principle of contour. A contour refers to a boundary between a figure and its ground. Principle of adaptability. The perception of stimuli may also depend on the adaptability of the perceiver. Factor influencing perception. Perceptual constancy refer to the tendency to perceive the stimuli present in our input as relatively stable and unchanging, even though in reality there may be a tension in sensory information. Perception of space. It involves the problem of three-dimensional perception. In visual perception of space, an object in environment is to be perceived in terms of three relationship of visual height, width, and distance or depth. Perception of distance. The one or two important mononuclear clue of distance are known by sound reference to loudness and incolation. Loudness of the sound provides clue for the judgment of the distance of an object. Loudness of sound give clue for nearby object, where a weak or soft sound stand for relatively distant object. ठीक है. Perception of direction. The cues with regard to the direction to the sound source are provided with the binocular cues like time difference and intensity different cues. The time difference cue help to judge the right direction of sound force. Next is perceptual illusion. It represents gross misjudgment or false perception. The sensory information received by our sensory receptor is interpreted and given some meaning to the process of perception. Sometimes this interpretation goes wrong and resulting perception fail to correspond with reality. Such false perception or gross misinterpretation of the sensory information are called perceptual illusion. Following are the few types of illusion: illusion of size, length, perception, and curvature. So this is the video of perception psychology in nursing. Here we discussed about the principle of perception, factor influencing perception. Like and share to my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.